Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set double space on the Google Docs mobile. So first open your Google Docs mobile apps and then open the file that you want to set its spaces. So just click on the file. Okay, so after this, you need to enable editing by clicking on the pencil icon at the bottom. So to adjust the spacing, you can just click on this A at the top, A letter. Okay, so here click on the paragraph option, and here you can see there is line spacing option, and to make it double spaces, just click on the arrow up until it becomes 2 like this, and just like that the spacing will be changed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you.